Houston, Texas, weighing in at 269 pounds, Gabriel, Frye.
Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up, and a huge opportunity for the champ to prove to everyone that there truly is none better in all of WWE right now.
He's been waiting a very long time for this title opportunity. I hope he's ready.
And introducing the challenger from Columbus, Ohio, weighing in at 269 pounds, Shawn.
This is a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael. And judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
The challenger with a confident look on his face, more than ready for this title opportunity.
And introducing the champion from Gomez, Palacio, Durango, Mexico, weighing in at 215 pounds. He is the light heavyweight champion, Adrian.
The champ comes into his title defense incredibly confident, Corey. And with good reason, Cole. When you're the champ, you don't have to worry about winning. You just have to make sure you don't lose. That is the champion's advantage. The champ has never looked more focused, laser focused on the task at hand.
The champion has no intention on tonight being their final night with the title.
And there's sure to be plenty of bedlam on tap in this Extreme Rules matchup. These superstars have nothing but bad intentions in mind for each other, and they have everything and everywhere at their disposal to annihilate one another. Uh-oh.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
Round and round we go. Tilt-a-whirl head scissors. Uh-oh. Oh, that might have just broken something. Great reversal. Standing shooting star press, incredible. The champion into the cover. The pin's broken up. I can't believe it. That's gonna hurt. And the unabated offense continues.
He somehow has to get himself back in order again. Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
You know, I have to ask Corey, how much of an actual strategy is there in a no disqualification match? Honestly, it depends on the superstar's mindset. Some just want to get through it. Others want to inflict as much damage. Oh, what's coming here? Submission move being applied. Is it fully locked in?
He's got it locked in. It's locked in.
Now we'll be
In trouble here.
a couple of elbows to the jaw, and that'll break things up. Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation for the crowd and get back into the fight. Ooh, right to the throat.
Headlock takeover. Slowing down the pace.
Tremendous pressure on the head and neck. Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. It's like I always say, he who has the sledgehammer has the last laugh.
Knee to the gut.
Backfist. The challenger eating up some damage. Oh, the sledgehammer connects. That'll scramble your insides.
Any one of these attacks could cause irreparable damage, but I don't think you can come back from this many.
Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination. He's taking this to the floor now.
Oof. The sledgehammer, how do you recover from that?
He gets out of the way. Each competitor showing they've done their homework. Comes back into the ring.
Sledgehammer right to the gut.
Got it.
That sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Kick connects. Oh my God, a DDT! Spiked him. Oh, what a kick.
The sledgehammer.
The challenger not looking good right now. You ask for extreme, you get extreme. Well, this looks like a little more than was bargained for. This doesn't even look like trying to win a match anymore. This looks like trying to end someone's career. And you never want to count a competitor out, but there seems to be no signs of defense right now. This is getting scary now. No one can survive this much. Able to elude it. Face first, here it comes.
Sledgehammer right to the gut.
Just one right after the other. Can't be stopped. You better have an aptitude for pain because it just keeps coming. And it is clear the mission now is to destroy and incapacitate. And it is getting downright nastier and nastier with each of these attacks. Whoa! Oh, knee to the jaw. Under the ropes and back into the ring.
Oh boy, he's stalking him. Watching for an opening. Sledgehammer right to the gut.
Look at this. Pendulum backbreaker. Big top. Heads out of the ring. What's next? Oh, man. Ladies and gentlemen, batter up. Kick lands. Kick right to the back of the leg. Oh, my God. Pain for the championship. He stops the count. Up into the...
Gonna see a new champ.
That's gotta be it. Ooh, short time to end this. Dragon twist cut.
A championship level move.
Looking for the victory. There's two. Got the shoulder up. It was almost just lights out on their championship dreams.
Let's see if that kick out was a spark or is it the challenger's last gasp?
Listen, that should have ended things. And look at his face. At this point, you have to believe he's losing some faith in himself. This deep into a match is where trouble rises, where injuries may occur. You got to think long-term and consider your future fights.
And I guarantee you that throwing in the towel is the furthest thing these superstars are thinking about. And we see him take yet another shot to the body.
And continuing And he goes into the ring.
Going for the home run. Standing Spanish Fly. Are you kidding me?
Incredible.
Punch.
You can sense it. This crowd is on pins and needles.
The WWE Universe is ready to erupt. Are we close to the beginning of the end?
Heads out, and he has all the time he wants.
Settling on the kendo stick. No good can come from this. Ooh. It looks like we're going to see Salida del Sol.
Another one bites the dust to the champ.
And the champ stands tall once again.
And here's another peek at some of the more memorable parts of the match.
Here is your winner, and still light heavyweight champion, Adrian Edwards.
Tremendous victory in this triple threat match.
We knew these three would put on a show, but I do not think anyone predicted just how intense this match would be.
I think one man did.